Good morning. Listen, yesterday, children, we had discussed the objective question of chapter 1. Today, we are once again, for those who have not noted it down, please note it down. I will just tell the spellings also, and then you will write it in your book. बुक में लिख लीजिए, उसके बाद में कॉपी में लिख लीजिएगा आप लोग, ठीक है? Now, all of you first start from question number 1.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let me mute you all first because the
हम रफ
noise
कॉपी
is
में लिख
disturbing.
सकते हैं? हम रफ कॉपी में
हाँ, बुक में लिख लीजिए पहले. Just write it. बुक में लिखो, ठीक है? Just 1 minute, 1 minute रुको.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning. Morning.
मैम
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. Now, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Animals are yeah, good morning. Stop it now. अब बंद करो, अब आप लोग बहुत लेट ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
First one, the answer of first question, question number A. Question number A, animals are dash as they cannot synthesize their own food. That is heterotroph. Write down heterotroph. सब लोग लिखो, अभी जब हम क्लास में बता रहे हैं, all of you should note it down. The second one, the dash of plant absorb water and minerals from the soil. This is your roots. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. The dash are the tiny pores through which leaves exchange gases, stomata. Insect stomata, stomata. Insect eating plants are called insectivorous plant. Insectivorous, insectivorous, insectivorous plant. An essential raw material needed for the process of photosynthesis and available in the soil is water, not water and carbon dioxide. Water, soil में carbon dioxide नहीं रहता है बेटा. Water and minerals, and available in the air. In that you will write carbon dioxide. First one, 6th A, you will write water and minerals, and 6th B, you will write carbon dioxide. Clear? Then come to the next one. Second question. Chlorophyll. Where is the chlorophyll present? In the leaf. Lichens, symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship. C option. Fungi. It is a saprotroph. Fungi is a saprotroph. It is also written over here. Saprotroph. Then next is your amarbale. Amarbale is a parasite. Yes, correct. Parasite. Then 5th one, plants, autotrophs. Plants are autotrophs. Yes. Then C question. Take the correct option. Green plants that can synthesize their own food are known as autotrophs. Autotrophs. The food factory of the plant is its leaf. Which of the following is an insectivorous plant? Feature plant. Mushroom is an example of saprotroph. Saprotroph. An organism that fixes nitrogen in the soil is rhizobium. So all of you have noted it down. Is it we should move in the next question, that is D. Answer the following question in brief. Why is nutrition important for a living organism? Come to page number 1. Write down, although it is indirectly there, but you write down. Nutrition is, you will start from the question itself. इससे start करिएगा. Nutrition is important for living organism as it helps to, you write, come to page number 1. Helps to build, paragraph 1, to build their bodies, to grow, to repair, to repair damaged parts of their body, and to provide energy to carry out life processes. This is answer number 1, D1. Once again, I am repeating. You will start from the question itself. Nutrition is important for living organism as, come to page number 1, as it helps to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies, and to provide the energy to carry out life processes. Then next question, question number D2. How do green plants synthesize their food? Yes, you can write like this. Green plants synthesize their food by using carbon dioxide and water through the process of photosynthesis. Green plants synthesize their food. Green plants synthesize their food by using carbon dioxide and water. You can mention this also, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll through the process of photosynthesis. Through the process of photosynthesis. Next, D3. State the role of vessels present in a plant. Page number 3. The role of vessels in a plant, you will start from the question itself. The role of vessels present in the plant is to transport water and minerals, is to transport water and minerals absorbed by the root to different parts of the plant. The role of vessels present in a plant is to transport water and minerals absorbed by root to other parts of the plant. Once again, the role of vessels present in the plant is to transport water and minerals absorbed by roots to other parts of the plant. Okay, once again, some of you are asking to repeat. The role of vessels present in a plant is to transport water and minerals absorbed by roots to other parts of the plant. Is it okay? Have you all written? Okay, chalo. Next, define the following terms. Symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship. Come to page number 6. 6. Two organisms living in close association please note it down. Asking to send it. That means you are not attentive here. पहले note करो. That whatever I will see that necessary to be sent, that I will send. But you all just don't try to manage in the class. You tell me 4 times, 5 times, I will repeat the answer. But you note it down just now. Two organisms. Page number 6, all of you take it out. Two organisms live in close association and develop a relationship that is beneficial to both is called, don't write this, is called, directly you write is called, symbiotic relationship. Two organisms living in close association and develop a relationship that is beneficial to both. I am repeating this answer. Symbiotic relationship. Open to page number 6. Symbiotic relationship topic, and I am dictating also. Two organisms living in close association and develop a relationship that is beneficial to both is called symbiotic relationship. Children, if you are having book problem, please try to sort it as soon as possible, because you cannot manage without book. Book के बिना नहीं हो पाएगा आप लोग को. इस प्रॉब्लम को आप लोग जल्दी से जल्दी सॉर्ट आउट करिए. How can you study without book? Old book, new book, any book you manage. Symbiotic relationship you have written. Now, next one is nutrients. Come to page number 1. Carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals which are important component of food, which are important component of our food. These components of food are necessary for the body, for our body, and are called nutrients. Carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are important components of our food. These components of food are necessary for our body and are called nutrients. Next one, saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition, come to page number 6. The process in which the organisms feed on dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. No. That answer is not correct. What I am dictating, you write down. Saprotrophic nutrition, in that we will not write about reproduction. The process in which the organisms, I am repeating this, saprotrophic mode of nutrition. The process in which the organisms feed on dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. The process in which the organisms feed on dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Then comes D. Question number 4D. Photosynthesis. Don't ask it when you are doing any other work, you don't discuss about the copies. Copies yesterday I told, last में फिर बता देंगे, एक ही copy बनानी है आपको. You all just divert your mind in several words. First concentrate on what you are doing in the class. Photosynthesis. Don't divert your mind here and there. Page number 3. The process page number 8 is better. Here it is written in a form of definition. So you write down from there. The process through which green plants prepare their food. The process through which green plants prepare their own food in presence of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Add in that point. In presence of carbon dioxide and water, sunlight, chlorophyll to produce carbohydrate and oxygen is known as photosynthesis. The process through which green plants prepare their own food in presence of carbon dioxide, water, put a comma after each word. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll to produce carbohydrate, and oxygen is known as photosynthesis. Then, next question. When some wheat dough was left in the open for a few days, it started emitting a foul smell. State why. What will happen? The wheat dough, you will write down like this. It is because the wheat dough becomes rotten, and the growth of fungus takes place. It is because the wheat dough gets rotten and the growth of fungus takes place. It is because the wheat dough gets rotten and the growth of fungus takes place, which decomposes it into further simple particles. Yeah, simple molecules also you can write. Till here, all of you have written. सबका हो गया है यहाँ तक? Yes or no? Just response. Okay, last question I am repeating once again. Last question, ठीक है? You write down wheat dough. That I will tell you afterward. अभी पहले last question लिखो. Question number 2 जिसका भी छूट गया है वो बाद में बता देते हैं. पहले आप ये लिखिए. Wheat dough becomes rotten and the growth of fungus takes place, which converts it into further smaller particles. Wheat dough becomes rotten and growth of fungus takes place, which converts into further smaller particles. Question. Once again, who was asking? Please repeat your question. Question number 2, if you want me to repeat, then you'll have just listen. How do green plants synthesize their food? Green plants synthesize their food using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll, by the process of photosynthesis. Green plants synthesize their food using carbon dioxide, water, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by the process of photosynthesis. This is answer number 2. Book problem, if you have children, if you want to, if you know some old student, you can just take it from them also if they are living nearby. Otherwise, those who will complete the question answer, I will put it in your class group. Yes, I will put it on your WhatsApp group. ये आप लोग अभी worry मत करिए. Then photosynthesis question number 4D. 4D आपका पेज नंबर 8 से स्टार्ट करोगे. The process through which green plants prepare their own food in presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, water, and carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrate and oxygen. Then next question, question number 5, E1. E1. Why would life not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis? Question number E1. Page number 4. E1 question number, page number 4. Photosynthesis is a unique process. It is this process that supplies food directly or indirectly for all living organisms. The energy of the sun thus gets passed on to all organisms through plants. Plants also provide oxygen needed by all living organisms for respiration. So we cannot imagine. So life is not possible on Earth in absence of photosynthesis. This line you will take from the book, from the question. Why would life not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis? Start it from page number 4. Photosynthesis is a unique process. It is this process that supplies food directly or indirectly for all living organisms. The energy of sun thus gets passed on to all organisms through plants. Plants also provide oxygen needed by all living organisms for respiration. So life will not be possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. Now, E2. Give reason for the following. Mushroom is a saprotroph. Because, you will start from because you have to give reason over here. Because, first of all, I will tell you all, because all the children are not knowing the answer. So, first you note it down. A common answer should be there. Mushroom is a saprotroph because it feeds on dead and decaying organism. Because it feeds on dead and decaying organism. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms because all living organism, because all living organism require and obtain light and heat energy from the sun. Because all organisms require and obtain, because all organisms require and obtain heat energy and light energy from the sun itself. The leaf of a plant dies out if its stomata are blocked, because the gaseous exchange is stopped. Because the gaseous exchange is stopped. Leaf is known as the food factory of the plant. Children, it is not only the CO2 is being absorbed by the stomata. So first try to listen the complete answer and then give your views. Oxygen is also there. Oxygen is also required for by the plant. So you will write gaseous exchange is stopped due to blocking of stomata. Leaf is known as food factory of the plant because the plant prepares its food in the leaf. Because the plant prepares its food in the leaf. Because the plant prepares its food in the leaves. Lichen is a living partnership between a fungus and an alga, and this partnership is beneficial to both because the fungus absorbs water and provides shelter. Because the fungus absorbs water and provides shelter, and the alga prepares food by photosynthesis. Because the fungus absorbs water and provides shelter, and the alga prepares food by photosynthesis. Because the fungus absorbs water and provides, I'm repeating this answer, because the fungus absorbs water and provides shelter, the alga prepares food by photosynthesis. The fungus absorbs water and provides shelter, and the alga prepares food by photosynthesis. Now, children, till here, because we are running short of time, tomorrow we will continue this question answer. Again, the rest of the question answer. And your homework will be to learn the hard words and finish these discussed question answer. जो आप डिस्कस अभी हुआ है उसको आप लोग कॉपी में नोट कर लीजिएगा. And if you have your book problem, try to sort it out because you can purchase it from the school or try to manage from the old students. Rest help I will give you on the WhatsApp. WhatsApp पर जिसके पास अभी available नहीं है, for the time being I will put it these things on the WhatsApp or Snap. दोनों पर मैं भेज दूंगी. लेकिन आपका वर्क है कि इसको नोट डाउन करना. You have to note it down. Every lesson you have to note it down in your copy. And copy you have to make one practical copy. एक practical copy बनाओगे. What diagrams you have to do, we will discuss tomorrow after finishing the complete chapter, complete question answer. Clear? Any doubt, anybody? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है? If you have any problem, you can tell. बोल सकते हो. Okay. I will just send it these questions also, but be attentive in the class. Don't just be lethargic that you are not noting it down in the class and you are depending on that only the screenshot and all, pictures and all. Okay.